What did we do in Paris last week?
Yes, so Marisa, it was a pleasure to be back to France, and last week in Paris, in CIRAD office, we organized together with you and many other French institutions a workshop to discuss the agriculture food systems, one of the CGIAR program in collaboration with French institution. I just want to say that we at CGIAR, we are hosted by French government here in Montpellier since several years, and from both sides we try to work together to improve the food security and food system around the world. And the meeting was really to bring CGIAR researchers from different centers and French institutions, in particular CIRAD, ILRI, ILRI, even INSEM and other organizations, to discuss food system research with a focus on agriculture and health. So Marisa, tell us a bit more about the objective of the meeting and the activities we did together over there.
So the objective of the meeting, which was very interested, was to really frame the concept of agriculture and health, trying to unravel what are the links, how agriculture and agricultural practices and food system can impact positively or negatively health in a very wide sense, animal, human and environment health. So we run a series of participatory discussions, including a World Cafe with all the participants, trying to identify the challenges, what are the impact, the links, what are the solutions to be able, and the innovations that are available out there, that CIRAD, but also the other French institutions like INRAE, IRD, or the CG institution are implementing all over the world to be able to limit the impact of agriculture on health, or to support agricultural innovation, to support health and environmental health especially.
Yes, this is very great, and I remember also that I see a lot of synergies and collaboration between CGIAR and French institution, and we had also a panel discussion where we bring key people from France. For example, I see Bernard Hubert, he represents France in the CGIAR System Council. Also Dr. Patrick Caron from CIRAD, but also from CGIAR board, and also to build up on the experience to draw the way forward how we work better together in future.
So what are the next steps?
Yes, the next step we discuss, actually we try to arrange and align some of the discussion we have in Paris, which is the new development of CGIAR. You know that from 1st of January 2025, we will be launching the new science program, and among many other programs, we have a program called SAF, Sustainable Animal and Aquatic Food System, where One Health is part of this new science program. And to prepare the development of this proposal, we try already involve with French institution to develop the proposal. But now, when we implement this new program, we wish that some of the discussion we had in Paris last week wouldn't become the actual activities between France and CGIAR in this new science program. But tell us also about other French initiative allied with One Health, in particular PRISOD.
Yes, so ILRI is a member of PRISOD, so you're already linked to this international coalition. So we invited last week the president of the General Assembly of PRISOD, Dr. Papasek from Senegal. So he was able to really present the initiative and to see how this international coalition, which is about preventing emerging disease risk, can implement this One Health approach, integrating issues linked to agriculture and food system, and link our two programs to see how we can collaborate better on improving the different aspects and making sure that we can build up sustainable agriculture to benefit the health for all.
What do we want to achieve in 2025 as the output from this Paris meeting?
So this Paris meeting was really only the first step. The idea was really to brainstorm together to be able to identify the different elements that we would need to include in a white paper. We want to produce something, we want to get something out of it that we can push forward to the politics, maybe in high-level events, to be able to promote the innovation. So that means that we would like to document the different innovation all over the world to try to be representative and showing what can be done to improve the links and a positive spiral between agriculture and health, but also to provide key recommendations that can be also pushed forward to political decision and maybe influence international policy.